What's up, YouTube? It's Khalil the Mechanic back with the tent mobile. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick request for someone. He asked that I show the lights when they're completely off, the headlights and fog lights. So that's what I'm here to do today. So we're going to start with the headlight. Nice fine detail. We've got LED on the inside in there. I kind of wish they said Morimoto, like how the fog lights say Morimoto on the inside, but it's not that big of a deal. We've got a diamond pattern here for the daytime runner. That goes all the way around. And then above it we have carbon fiber. This looks really neat. Then we've got the orange LED side marker. And lastly, for the headlight, we have my turn signal. This is LED switchback, and it does have the built-in resistor. And then down below, we got the fog light. That's how it looks. It's kind of hard to get every detail, but right up there at the top it says Morimoto. Can't really get that for you. Trying. Oh wait, there we go. Yep, Morimoto. With the black housing on the inside, just like the headlights. Now I'm gonna turn it on for you. That was the turn signal. Start. You notice the LEDs start to flicker once they go into the 50% mode where they dim. They're not actually flickering like that in person, it's just the camera. Let's turn them on. That's without the fog lights. The daytime runners come on as soon as you turn the vehicle on, their ignition power. Now with the fog lights, this is with the fog lights. Again, the lights dim. It's the fog light up close. Just got a car wash, so it's a little bit of leftover soap on the outside. Nice beam design. And let's do it with the low beam headlights on. So again, this video was just a request, so that is pretty much all I have for you today. And at this point, I think you guys know the drill. If you like the video and or just simply like the tent mobile, definitely drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification button. That way you get a notification and you're tuned in every time I drop some new content. And lastly, thanks for watching. Have a good day.